We know that square root of 2 is an irrational number. This irrational number was discovered by the Pythagoreans while trying to solve the second-degree polynomial equation x squared minus 2 equal to 0. Note that a second-degree polynomial equation is called a quadratic equation. Do you know who first put forth the concept of quadratic equations? Quadratic equations were discovered by the Babylonians around 3000 BC, while they were trying to find out the area of square fields. Since then, quadratic equations were used not only to calculate the areas of various geometrical shapes, but also to express curves such as circles and parabolas algebraically. Scientists are using quadratic equations in determining the position of satellites and in communication media. Here, we shall introduce quadratic equations and learn to check whether a given equation is quadratic or not. We shall also understand the solution of a quadratic equation. Then, we shall go on to forming quadratic equations for simple, real-life situations. Let's now understand the mathematical definition of a quadratic equation along with various examples. The equation given by ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation in variable x. By definition, the coefficient of first term cannot be 0. Can you guess the reason why? In case a is 0, the term x squared disappears from the equation, and then the equation no longer remains quadratic because degree changes to 1. Hence, a cannot be 0. Let's see a few examples of quadratic equations. Observe these second-degree expressions. Can we call these expressions quadratic equations? Well, these are simply expressions and not equalities. So, these expressions are called quadratic polynomials but not quadratic equations.